happened?
Gather all personal belongings and exit the Star Jumper.
We're about to get an early preview of Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind, a new roller coaster at Disney World. Let's go for a ride. Here's what we're doing today. I'm at Epcot at Walt Disney World in Florida, and Disney is giving us an early look at the roller coaster before it officially opens on May 27th. Now, if you show up on opening day, you can't just come here and stand in line. You're gonna need a virtual queue, or you're gonna have to pay for a Lightning Lane pass to have an appointment to come back and skip the line. This is a big deal for Disney. It is the first roller coaster at the Epcot theme park. It's also the first Marvel attraction at Disney World. It has a lot of tech inside. It is a massive indoor roller coaster, but enough talk. Let's go check it out. All right, we're gonna go through the ride queue now and learn about the wonders of Xandar. This is the newest pavilion at Epcot, an off-world pavilion. It all starts with a planetarium, a big projection to the ceiling. Lots of things to look at when you're in a long line. There's a lot of Chris Pratts. Oh boy. Cassette tape. I understood that reference. It's a big projector. It's a very detailed ship. It even says the name on it, Milano. We're about to enter the pre-show, so if you keep watching past this point, be aware, spoiler alert. You have been warned.
For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
I'm gonna be teleported?
Welcome, people of Epcot.
What?
Epcoters. Epcotians. Citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this.
Here we go. Oh, I'm a little nervous. What is this?
Okay. Before we begin, I should warn you that we have never teleported Terrans before. But since your molecular structure is very similar to Xandarians, it should work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Is everyone in? Here we go. You made it! I mean, of course you did.
Oh, it's just gone.
Nova Prime, they're ready.
It's gone.
What you see before you is the Cosmic Generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience for yourself what's happening.
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the cosmic generator is gone.
Interior Monarch, go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now!
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our cosmic generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot?
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
Well, that is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I have been watching Terrans for eons.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa. We didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the cosmic generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where, when,
Some kind of mutant jump point.
He's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn of time, why?
to erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, Nova Dude, you're Nova Corps need to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power is down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I reprogrammed the shuttles to follow them through the jump point.
Wait,
What?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
Wait! There's Kate. Where's this Kate?
the odds are impossible,
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. You got this.
We're all toast.
First there was cake, now there is toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
Terrence, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. Follow the fleet if we get our power.
Where do the walls go?
And
What's happening?
We get our power back.
Why are they erasing time? That's so mean.
This plan of the Guardians doesn't stand a chance. What? It's still on? What did I just say?
All right.
Over and out.
Big galactic space god wants to reverse time and correct something. We're gonna stop it. I got it. Yeah, you don't need to know all those movies. You can get it, right? Yeah, totally makes sense. Of course, something goes wrong and they need us, you know, Earthlings from Epcot to fix everything. That's how it always goes, right? Uh-oh. All right, here's what we know. This is going to be a backwards launching coaster. It is something where each car can rotate 360 degrees at different times, and they're going to play several different songs. You don't know which song you're going to get because, of course, Star-Lord and his awesome mix, he loves the classics. So let's rock on and, you know, save the galaxy, right? I'm a little nervous. It's been a while since I've been on a new coaster. I'm not really a big coaster person. Oh, this feels so scary too. They really have the alerts going off, and the whole pre-show has all of that Marvel humor you love. Yeah, it's very self-referential. Lots of talk about Epcot. That's what Guardians is good at, though. If they had to break the wall, this is the one they do it on. Oh my God. I'm totally cool. I'm not nervous at all. It's cool. We're cool.
Hold down on the lap bar and push up when instructed to
All right.
do so. Remain seated with your hands
Locked and loaded.
Disney provided us with a ride camera to capture our reactions. Following is Disney's edited footage. Bridget's screams of fear have not been included. Use your imagination.
Oh, wow. I'm shaking. I'm shaking. Oh, wow. What just happened? What just happened?
Exit to Star Jumper. The Nova Corps.
Oh, I'm discombobulated. I need a moment. I've never experienced anything like that. You can't see anything in front of you. It's so dark. Oh my gosh, I'm just blown away. And there's screens everywhere, and there's so much happening. Dude. All right, I'm back outside now that I've had a moment to decompress. I had to sit down a bit and collect my thoughts. Here's what's going on. This ride is really about a lot of tech and screens. And each individual car on your roller coaster is moving at different points in time. There's some times where you can see the track ahead of you and sometimes you can't. Lots of darkness, lots of space, a lot of cool effects and jokes, and you're probably screaming too loud to hear most of the jokes. Speaking of jokes, this is for Marvel fans and casual Marvel fans too, because you don't have to know a lot about the Nova Corps, but you get a lot of the humor that you expect from the whole Guardians gang. Also, I don't really know how we defeated the bad guy. I never saw Eternals. I guess you don't need to see Eternals to really understand it. You're just going along going, okay, he's defeated, fine, get me off this thing. You really do feel the G's at certain points. There's no inversions like other thrill rides. The thrill here is how they're turning you and pointing you in different directions to face certain big planetary things, moons and stars and suns, and you're whipping back and forth through time. I really felt the G's when I was spinning around a certain moon-like planet. That said, it is very intense. Like Space Mountain and Rock and Roller Coaster had a baby, and it was Crazy Baby that also had a lot of weird Marvel jokes. If you're wondering, well, how much of this is gonna feel like a Marvel thing rather than just like, I'm in a roller coaster in space? No, this has a definite Marvel feel. You have Rocket just bantering in your ear the whole time, which, by the way, doesn't exactly sound like Bradley Cooper, but you probably won't even notice because you're too busy, once again, screaming because you don't know which direction you're facing. Before this, Rise of the Resistance at Galaxy's Edge was my favorite ride. It's very high tech, it has 4 different ride components, but now I think I have a new favorite because this is unlike anything. Disney really leaned into tech to give you a whole new experience, and I appreciate that. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little tour of Xandar and as we rocketed through the galaxy. Until then, I am just gonna have to rewind my brain back to where it was before.